Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome friend. Today I have a quick DIY for you. I'm going to decorate this mug for Mother's Day for a special friend of mine. Things you're going to need are, for starters, a mug. I chose this little plaque. These two items are from Dollar General. The rest is from the Dollar Tree. I just have a little flower I took off a bush. You're going to need a couple of sticks to glue your candy onto. I picked two boxes, this box of candies and then these little chocolates. You're going to need some styrofoam to put inside your mug, some ribbon for a bow. I picked up a Mother's Day card and this one is so pretty. Also, you're going to need some shred, whatever you have in your craft stash will work. And then I picked up this cute balloon. Believe it or not, folks, at the Dollar Tree I was at, that was the only one that they had. It says, "You're one sweet mom," and it's got little cookies all around it. I thought this was so cute. And let's get started. Okay, the first thing, friends, that I did was I took the styrofoam, this little block that I got at the Dollar Tree, and I wedged it in there. I didn't want to use hot glue because it was a mug that, you know, someone might want to use. She might want to use it for coffee or something. But I just thought this was adorable. They had some at Dollar Tree that had the Mother's Day theme on them, but I had picked up this little block and it was a little bit bigger than the ones that they sold. And then I found this one at Dollar General. It says, "Hello, sugar." Oh, I love that. Okay, friends, I found this cute little frame. It says, "Home is where mom is." Is that not the truth? I'm just gonna wedge it in here. Let's see, I'm gonna turn this. No, it has to be this way. Okay, I'm just gonna kind of wedge it in there for right now. It holds pretty good. And we'll just do this together. Remember how I glue the little sticks onto the candy? Friends, I'm laughing because my husband dozed off on the recliner and he answered my question. Okay, friends, I forgot to tell you, you're going to need a glue gun that's plugged in, and I'm so proud of myself, and some tape and scissors.
It is turned on, right?
Yes, it is, because I tried it a while ago. Don't scare me, okay? Okay, you put your little strip of tape, and then you just put your glue on, and I do this so that it won't go directly on the package. Might melt the candy if the plastic is too thin. All right, let's see. I'm gonna start with the shred. And I had this pink left over from another project, but you can use whatever you have in your stash, white or that iridescent one. Whatever works for you. I just thought this was so cute put together. All right, I glued this sideways here, slanted, because I wanted to slant this box this way. Well, let's do it this way since it's big. Oh boy, here we go. There. All right, and I'm gonna glue this one in front right here. You can't go wrong with this. Oh my gosh. And then you grab your little card, which I thought this card was so cute. And since this has a spot for a picture, I'm gonna put the card in it. Geez, why is it that things get a little difficult when you're filming? Okay, let's see, how does that look? Oh, the little bicycle needs to be going up. Okay, friends, you don't have to spend a lot of money to do this and make your friend have a big old smile on their face. Look at that. All right, and guess what, Eric? I already have my ribbon bow made. Friends, I just took this ribbon, and this was left over from Valentine's, and I made this cute little bow. This is all I did. I went this way and that way, and when I scrunched it together, I just left these long enough to curl them. And I came up with this cute little bow. Is that's not adorable? Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm gonna put it right here to dress this up. And then I'm gonna glue a little rose in the center of that bow. How does it look already, Eric?
That looks good. And this is going to be your personal best time on Quickest Craft. Let's hope I didn't shoot myself in the foot on that
one. We're not done yet. Oh, Eric's giving me a hard time today. Oh my gosh, look at that, friends. Is that not cute? And how long did it take to put this together? Not long at all, and it's not expensive. And you know, your friend is going to appreciate it, or your mom, or your loved one, whoever you decide to give this to. Also, I wanted to point out, Dollar Tree has some mugs that say happy birthday, and they have the little balloons like this that are already pre-blown up that say happy birthday. You can create a mug with candy and a card and make it look just as special. They also have some graduation mugs that you could just decorate, but just take this general idea and design your own for your own loved one or your own special occasion that you need to give a gift to someone special. All right, friends, that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed this quick craft. Also, we're going to do the drawing today for the necklace and earring set. I had several entries, and since we don't have it down packed yet on how to do it on the computer yet, this time we're going to go the old-fashioned way. All right, so I'm just going to draw a name. I took everybody's name that answered the question that responded. And look, friends, that little trinket box from the Dollar Tree, I just glued a flower and baby's breath on top of it, and look how cute it turned out. All right. Let's see. Miriam, Emily? Oh, I hope I didn't chop that up. Miriam, you're gonna have to email me your information, so please email me and let me know where I can mail you your necklace and earring set to. And here you go, friend, all yours. Okay, and I also had another giveaway for sharing my video, and I had a couple of people that shared my video. Friends, look at this cute trinket box in black. It turned out adorable, and I just used what I had in my craft stash. So think about that. Let's see who's gonna get this. Mary Anderson, you are the winner of this necklace, and thank you for sharing my video. All right, please be sure and email me your information so that I can mail that to you. Friends, thank you so much for subscribing, for commenting, and for just showing me so much love and support. I really appreciate everyone, and I really enjoy doing this for you. All right, friends, remember, may your day be filled with good thoughts, kind people, and happy moments. Love y'all.